Pine Creek Road, and I guess it's in Spalding County. This bridge here goes across the Flint River, and I'm about to try to do a little bit of magnet fishing off of it. This will be my first time ever trying magnet fishing. And I'm out here in the middle of nowhere to give it a try. I didn't want to get out here and get run off with somebody on my first time. Okay. Here, the Flint River is pretty good size. It's big enough to get a boat down through here. So we might find something. Just did my first drop down there. It ain't but 3 or 4 feet deep. All right, let me tell you what's going on. I cast my magnet out 3 or 4 times, and the last time I cast it out, the entire rope went out with it. So I drove over to Home Depot, Griffin, which is about 11 miles east of here. Bought me these pink twine, put my grappling hook on the pink twine, and now I just got it hung up. I ain't made my mind what I'm gonna do yet. I use my twine, my grappling hook, and everything. So I just tied it around my trailer hitch. Let's see if I can pull it loose. Loose didn't work. You can see the rope floating down there. It broke on me. So I guess if you want to go magnet fishing, come over here. You might get your free magnet and a free grappling hook, because I'm leaving them. That is it for my first time magnet fishing, and probably my last. Alright, let me finish up talking about what happened back there. Not only did that twine I bought at Home Depot break, by pulling on it and it rubbed against itself, the strands heated up and some of them melted together, making it almost impossible to get off my ball. I didn't have a pocket knife with me, so I had to pull it apart and spend a lot of time working on it. But I left a lot of that twine floating in the water. My magnet's down there underwater somewhere with that black line attached to it. So if you ever want to go magnet fishing, go down here, you might get your magnet. Well, that trip cost me the magnet fishing kit, including the box that came in, plastic box, the magnet, the rope, 2 gloves, some Loctite, and a grappling hook. Cost me $58, so let's add tax to it, say it was $62. Well, that plus $6 for the rope I went and bought at Home Depot, plus the gas and all, driving 22 miles, which gas, wear and tire and everything else would have been $11. So that little escapade cost me $62, $72, $73, $74, about $77. But it was an interesting afternoon.